morning, guys. Welcome back to the vlog and Vlogmas. Today it is day number 14, I want to say. I think so. That being said, I'm going to make the bed, do a little bit of Christmas shopping in a cute little town. I'm going to drive up an hour and do some shopping, some last minute shopping. And then once I'm done that, I'll probably do some grocery shopping, come home, unpack, get ready for work. And I was going to do a ballet class this morning, but then I looked at my shopping list and I was like, I'm missing 3 people. And it's already, what's the date today? The 16th of December, meaning Christmas is in 9 days, meaning I need to do shopping. So we're going to do that this morning, try to get that out of the way. I'm going to take you with me because that's fun. So let's make the bed, get ready to go. Yeah. All right, just gonna do a little bit of moisturizer. I'm not gonna do too much makeup because I'll probably have a bubble bath or shower when I get home, but I'm just gonna do a little bit of mascara and then drive in, do some shopping for 3 people. I think it's 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes, 3 people. Like I said, I'm just gonna do a little bit of mascara, maybe eyeliner, who knows, and then head in. I am so ready for the holidays, guys. You have no idea. Oh my gosh, I can't get this one eyelash. Picking that up a bit. Not the worst, but not the best. And then once I do this, I'll get changed, get my car cleaned, and head in. Let's get changed. I am just obsessed with this sweater. It's from Indigo. It's the cutest thing. I love it. That being said, we are changed in my Lulu pants, my Old Navy top, and this sweater from Indigo. I'm going to head out, drive in, shelve my car out first, and do some shopping. Let's go. All right, made it. I don't know why I decided to go an hour away, but that's okay. I didn't really time it well because I also wanted to pick up groceries, get my hair cut, and now I only have an hour before I had to get home, but it'll all work out. I just hope I can find presents for everybody in time, so let's go. We're gonna try these. Just got them at Walmart. Do you wanna try one? Yeah. Yummy, so yummy. All right, so we are just back home. I'm doing shopping as well as for my haircut. I'm obsessed with it. I think my hair looks great. I love it. I went to the girl I used to go to, so super nice to get that chop. I'm gonna have my lunch. I think Steve's still in a meeting, and I'll show you guys what I got for other people for Christmas. I'm just snacking on cucumbers. He's hopefully available soon. Nanaimo bar and cookie. Yummy.
I help out in the art studio a couple times a week. Jenna hadn't dragged me in there, I might have lost myself.
All right, guys. Sorry about that. I just got back from teaching. Well, I got back a couple of hours ago, and I just kind of watched TV. I started watching the show Younger. It's really good, actually. It has Hilary Duff in it, and I don't know the main actress's name, but I really like it so far. It's really fun. So I started watching that when I got home, got pretty carried away, watched the first 3 episodes, and now I'm just gonna hop in the bath. Finished classes earlier tonight, which was nice, but I wanted to show you guys what I got tonight from some of my students. Firstly, I had to have a bath because I got this eucalyptus bubble bath, and then I also got this claw clip from the same student. It's super, super cute, and it's the perfect length with my shorter hair now. Secondly, this burr basket, which is like the cutest thing ever. I got a Starbucks gift card in it. I also got this eye bead mask, which I think I put in the freezer to reduce eye puffiness. I also she got me this hand sanitizer that's like the Touchland one, a bunch of Lindor chocolates, one of the really nice Bath and Body Works soaps, which I will be using, as well as a really cozy fluffy blanket. And it's just like all done so nice. She drew like a picture at the front. The sweetest thing. I love that. That being said, I'm going to read my book and hang out. Sorry I didn't really vlog that much today. I might throw in some extra content in here somehow to bulk up the vlog, but honestly, like I said, I can't vlog during work for obvious reasons. And then when I get home, I just like eat, watch TV, and then have a bubble bath. That's my life. So I'm gonna read Iron Flame. I went into the bookstore today and I was talking to the girl. Actually, I was talking to 2 girls today about how I cannot get through Iron Flame. Apparently a lot of people felt the same, and it's just like a filler book. So I think I just have to either force my way through it or just throw it to the side and not finish it. And it's just not a series for me, unfortunately. I know a lot of people feel differently. A lot of people really like Fourth Wing series, but it's just not my jam. So I want to get into the books that I do have, like Quicksilver. I like dark romances too, so I want to get back into Alchemized as well. I know it's not a romance, it's more of like a dark fantasy. I also have the entire Throne of Glass series to read. And there's just so many things I want to read. I started a new book, an audiobook on the way home tonight. It was called Best Offer Wins, I think. It's good so far. I like it. It's punchy. I think it's going to be a good book. I'm a little bit nervous about the feelings of going into the housing market as the plot, but we'll see. That being said, I'm going to read my book and relax. Thank you guys for joining me today. Again, it was a short vlog, so I don't know if I'm gonna hang out with you in the morning to bulk it up a little bit, but if I do not, you know what? I am, because I'm going to show you the gifts that I got for people tomorrow morning. It's just too late right now to pull all those out, so I want to jump in this bath because it looks delightful. Let me show you guys. It's just so bubbly. Like, look at that. Are you kidding? Look at these bubbles. This is amazing. Okay, I'm going in. All right, friends. I wanted to show you guys what I got while I was shopping yesterday. So first things first, I used to be really into crochet, if you remember, around this time last year, maybe even earlier this year. So I got some more yarn for myself. I'm going to do a couple more scarves, I think. It's just something fun for me to do now that school's done. I really want to make sure I'm still spending my time, doing activities that I like that are calming instead of just scrolling on social media. So I will be taking up crochet again. I'm not very good at it. I've made a couple of scarves, a little pet thing for Luna. And yeah, again, I'm not very good, but it's something to do. And then I also got this. Oh, I got some beads for some of my friends. I got some beads for one of my friends, and then some beads for my friend Amber. We were looking at this rock earlier, and it's so sparkly, and she was going to get it, but she didn't end up getting it, I don't think. And then this one, that screamed her. And then this is for another friend of mine. Her birthstone is amethyst, so I know she likes to do jewelry and crafts, so I figure that's a better present than getting just like a rock, right? Especially for someone who might not collect them like I do. I also got my mom's husband a really cool rock. So it's partly geode. This one's really unique as well. It's got it goes all throughout the whole thing. And it's like an agate on the outside. It's really beautiful, and I love that it's polished, but then the inside is all amethyst geode. I think it's really, really unique. I got a couple more things. I got some books as well, so I'll go grab them. I also need to wrap presents today. Something just flung off. Uh-oh. I got this candle for one of my friends. I think it's just a crystal coming out of it, wax. But I got a candle for the same friend I got the amethyst beads for, and it's really unique because it has some larger crystals and it's all homemade. It smells really, really good. Full Moon Magic. So I think it has it smells like lavender something, but the crystals are really unique and really pretty in this, so I thought she'd like that. I also got some books. I got this book for Steve's dad. I thought he would like it. And I also got this book for my friend Amber because she's really into this author. And yeah, I think that's everything that I got yesterday. I'm going to close out the vlog here. I know it was super short, but honestly, my life's not that interesting, especially leading up to the holidays, because tomorrow, for example, I have huge work events. So I don't think I'll be vlogging at all, to be honest, because I'll just be really busy with work stuff and I'll be driving around places and I can't vlog at work. So if I don't see you tomorrow, I am very sorry, but otherwise I will see you next time. I'll definitely see you tomorrow in some capacity, just maybe not chronologically, like it's actually the correct day of Vlogmas. It'll probably be something else that I whip up later today if I have some time. But anyways, I'm gonna close out today's vlog here. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and until next time, bye now.